Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add Klarna to your Stripe account from your smartphone. Klarna is a popular payment method that allows customers to buy now and pay later, which can boost your sales and customer satisfaction. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred browser. For now, I'll open my Google Chrome. Go to Stripe Login. Now simply log into your account. Once you're logged in and you're on your main dashboard, go to the Settings menu, tap on Settings. Here you can see the payment section over here, so tap on it. Next up, go to the Payment Method tab over here. Now here you can see the list of payment methods. Scroll down a little bit and find Klarna on the list. Here I can see Klarna over here. Now to add Klarna to your Stripe account, simply tap on Turn On button over here. As you can see, it is showing me that Klarna is now active on my account. And that's it. You've successfully added Klarna to your Stripe account using your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.